Today I want to show you how I built our stairs for the cabin. It's really a ship's ladder. Stringers, they're mortise for the stair treads to fit in. Ship's ladder takes up a whole lot less floor space than a regular set of stairs. The angle's a little greater. It's still really comfortable to go up and down. The way I routed out, or I mortised the holes for the treads, is I used a bit with the guide bearing, and this guide bearing rides on a template that I made. And all it is a piece of plywood that I put two little pieces of wood to center it. This is where the stringer goes, and you just put it on the stringer, your router, set the depth for it to plunge in, then you set it where that guide bearing will ride on the template, and it will repeat that cut every time, and then you just move back and forth to take the rest of the wood out. It's really easy to do. On the stringer I just set the graduations, each stair tread, and put this on, clamped it in place, and used a router and mortised out the wood. After I got both stringers, put some glue in the mortises, stuck it together, and used 5-inch lag bolts. It's definitely not going to go anywhere. Well, it's really working out well for us. A little bit of detail, how it's mortised in. Not sure in this light if you can really tell, but here's a view of the ladder. As you come in, you walk in and you still have this nice open feel because of the stairs don't have backs on them. Let me know what you think. I appreciate your comments.